In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow an Instagram page for dropshipping. Even if you've never posted on Instagram before, don't have followers, or feel like it's too competitive, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, create content, and actually get people to visit your store and buy your products. The first thing you need to do is set up a professional-looking profile. When people land on your page, they should immediately know what you're about. So make sure your username is clean and related to your niche. Upload a simple but attractive logo as your profile picture, and write a short bio that tells people what you sell or how your products can help them. Keep it clear and to the point. Something like smart gadgets that make your life easier, or fitness gear for everyday people. And don't forget to add your store link in the bio, because that's how people are going to buy from you. Once your profile is set up, the real work begins with content. Content is what makes people follow you. And here's the good news. You don't need to be a professional photographer or spend hours editing videos. Instagram today is all about short, engaging content. That means reels, stories, and simple posts that show your product in action. If you're selling something like a kitchen gadget, record a short video showing how it solves a problem quickly. If you're selling fitness gear, show someone using it during a workout. People love to see how products work in real life, and this is exactly what makes them stop scrolling and pay attention. Another thing that can really boost your growth is jumping on trends early. Instagram trends move fast, and being one of the first to use a trending sound or effect can make your reel reach thousands of new people. Keep an eye on what's popular in your niche, and don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes even a simple, funny, or relatable video can go viral and bring a huge wave of followers to your page. The goal is to mix trends with your products in a natural way, so it doesn't feel forced, but still benefits from Instagram's push. In the beginning, focus on consistency. Try posting one reel daily, or at least 4 to 5 times a week. Use a mix of broad and niche hashtags to reach more people through Instagram's algorithm. Besides hashtags, captions also play an important role. Don't just write one-word captions. Use them as many ads to convince people why they should care about your product. Ask questions, encourage people to comment, or share a quick tip related to your niche. The more you get people to stop, read, and interact with your caption, the better your post will perform in the algorithm. Think of it as a second chance to sell your product after the video or picture catches their attention. Another important part of growth is engagement. Instagram rewards accounts that interact with their audience. So reply to comments, answer DMs, and even engage with other accounts in your niche. If you show Instagram that your account is active and people are having conversations with you, they're more likely to push your posts to more people. Think of it like a snowball effect. The more engagement you create, the faster your page grows. A big growth hack that many dropshippers use is influencer shoutouts. You don't need huge influencers with millions of followers. Micro-influencers, those with 5 to 50,000 followers, often have more loyal audiences. Reach out to them. Offer them your product for free, or pay a small fee to promote your page. A single shout-out can bring hundreds or even thousands of new followers overnight, especially if your product is eye-catching and solves a real problem. Now let's talk about ads. While organic growth is amazing, sometimes you want to speed things up. Instagram ads allow you to put your product directly in front of your target audience. Start small, with just a few dollars a day. Test different creatives and see what works best. You can run simple video ads showing your product in action and direct people to your Instagram page or directly to your store. Over time, as you see what brings results, you can scale up. Use storytelling instead of plain product pics and build trust with reviews, behind the scenes, and polite engagement. Now, let's put this all together with a simple example. Imagine you're selling a portable blender. You create a profile with a clean logo and a bio that says, "Healthy smoothies anywhere, anytime." You start posting daily reels showing people making smoothies at the gym, at work, or outdoors. You add hashtags like #fitnesslifestyle and #smoothie-lover. You engage with people who comment things like, "I need this," or "Where can I get it?" and direct them to your store, link in bio. You reach out to a micro-influencer in the fitness niche, send them your blender, and they post a story tagging your account. You also run a small ad showing how quick and easy it is to make a smoothie in 30 seconds. Within a few weeks, your page starts gaining followers and sales. That's how you grow an Instagram page for dropshipping, step by step. And remember, growth doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistency, testing, and learning from what works. But the beauty of Instagram is that once your content starts performing, it can snowball and bring in thousands of potential buyers without you spending a fortune. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share something that can make your dropshipping journey even easier. A big part of success on Instagram is finding products that actually sell. And instead of spending hours scrolling TikTok or AliExpress trying to guess what's trending, you can use a tool like Sell the Trend. It's designed to show you winning products, give you insights on ads that are already working, and even let you spy on other stores to see what's selling for them. That way, you can focus on creating Instagram content that's proven to work without wasting time on products nobody wants. The best part is, you can try Sell the Trend completely free for 14 days using the link in the description.